Well, I just finished installing the Wellston, and that's why you hear the sound of me stepping on plastic and stuff. So, yeah, here's the Hampton Bay Wellston, here's the Jasper on the bed. So, yeah, I just finished installing it. There's the box to it right down there. I guess I might as well make a video while I have the chance. It's 8:45, but who cares? Alright, it's got a pretty good light. I like it. And just so you know, this has the flat pull chain pendants instead of the solid ones. More like coin. Kind of makes. I always like to call them the coin pendants for some reason. But yeah, here's the light. Now for the fan, which I'll start on high. Looks like I thought. Here is high speed. By the way, the fan chain kind of pulls quite sharply. I gotta figure out a way to fix that. Pretty nice fan. Actually, I feel like circulates more air than this, to be honest. Honestly, I have to say oil rub bronze is probably my favorite ceiling fan finish. I do love brushed nickel and white, just oil rub bronze is my personal favorite. I'm not sure about you viewers, but oil rub bronze is my preference. Let me know in the comments what your preferences are. So, medium. I gotta figure out a way. Speaking of which, oh, it's making my Canadian paper lantern move around. This has been in the, this was new in box for months, ever since April, so. Whatever that is. Ah, oh, this is nice. Now for low speed. This is what I don't like about these flat ones, is that they get in the way, and for me, I usually pull them like this. But they are kind of annoying in my opinion. Now this is when it has bearing noise. I'm not sure if that comes out on camera, but this is a brand new fan, so. Now for off. Show the spin down. I'm not sure what is my favorite finish. At my local Home Depot, they also have these in white. I'm not sure if brushed nickel is available here in Canada, but or maybe it's almost like the Hampton Bay Wellston thing where brushed nickel is both available in the US and Canada, but it may be, I mean, never mind. Here I messed up. Like, where oil rub bronze is available in the USA and Canada, not brushed nickel. Brushed nickel is only available in the States, but white is only available here in Canada. I'm not sure if that's true. At first, unfortunately, my mom is letting me finally install a fan in my room at her house. I'm thinking of buying another display model from Canadian Tire, the Rustin ceiling fan, maybe, the display model there. But at first I wanted a Hampton Bay Wellston. Like, I really wanted the Wellston until I was watching the videos. I forget this channel's name. 7 something. I don't know. I forget your name if you watch this. I'm incredibly sorry. But like how you were saying how the motor's incredibly tiny for a 44-inch fan, and how it's a fire hazard, and how the screws strip incredibly easily that attach the blades to the blade brackets. So yeah, I did want a Wellston until I watched Parson 7, I think that's their name. I forget your name, I'm incredibly sorry about that. But yeah, I changed my mind. I'm buying a display model from Canadian Tire. I am not getting a piece of shit Medeali fan that has like the worst, which is like the worst Hampton Bay ceiling fan ever. So yeah, I guess that can be the video of the Hampton Bay 44-inch Wellston. I hope you guys enjoyed.